Hey everybody, Scott Burnette here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video and welcome to a beautiful Saturday morning. It's a maintenance Saturday here at the house. Cleaning, fixing things, tightening stuff up. It's too hot to do anything here in about another hour. It's just going to be too hot. It's going to be 100 degrees again. So today, what we got to do, we got a bunch of deck related stuff. So y'all have seen me cook. If you watch my videos very much, I cook on this all the time. This is my big green egg. And I did a high temp clean out on it where you burn everything out at about 600 degrees. It don't take much either. I mean, just open it up and let it run. But my table, from sparks coming down and stuff, and setting brushes on it and stuff, it's gotten bad. This is cedar, and I've usually got a coat of tung oil on it. Every year I clean it, put a coat of tung oil on it, on the whole thing all the way down. And I need to clean the deck off around here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you the steps on how to clean your big green egg. And I'm not a professional, but I do this ever so often. One of the things I do want to check this time, because I've had this thing several years, I want to make sure my gaskets are still good, not cracked or anything, and my ceramic. So I'm gonna clean all the ash out. It's got a clean out on the bottom, and I'm gonna make sure there's no cracks in the lid. Make sure my handles are all good and tight and everything. And I'm gonna oil this handle too. This is wooden handle. Always oil it up. I'm gonna clean the grill, the grate, the convector plate. It looks bad because I've been smoking a lot of meat on it. And we're going to take a look at the outside and make sure there's no cracks. I try to take care of it best I can, but that's what we're going to do right now, so y'all stay with me. This is the hardest part. They didn't do this so you can clean this table. Plus I've got it in a little tight area here. But do best I can. Alright, that's from 2 cooks, 2 fillings of charcoal. So I'll go dispose of that. And then we will start washing this thing off and check everything and see how we're doing. Alright, now I got all the ash took care of. I went and disposed of it, put it in the trash can because I don't want it put on the plants or anything. So now I just have some regular oven cleaner, and I'm gonna spray the grill grate and the convection plate, I think is what you call it, because they are in bad shape. I do this twice a year. The rest of the time I just get it 600-700 degrees and scrape it off. So we'll spray it down and let it sit for quite a while. Gretchen, the craft's not spread. Get it? All right, so I got that sprayed. Let me show you what Gertrude done down here. Now you know I was going to spray waterproof right there, don't you? You go swimming? Swimming? I went swimming. All right, so we got that covered in oven cleaner. Now it may not be what you're supposed to do, but that's what I do every year, and the whole thing here is what I do. Get you some ideas from it. If you do something different, leave it in the comments. So let's go over here to the egg. Let me grab my little handle here and put it over, lay it down. Let me set y'all back up over here. So what I got, I got some Home Depot wood cleaner mixed up in a sprayer. This is what I was using on the deck the other night down there when I was using the pressure washer. I'm gonna rinse everything off here. Oh, and another thing, if you're using any kind of wood cleaning product, make sure that your clothes can be thrown away, or you're wearing junk clothes that you don't care anything about, because it does have bleach in it. Put you on some glasses so you don't get in your eyes. Goggles will be good, but good Lord, it's hot today. If you like to sweat, be here in North Georgia in June. Whew. Can't wait for July and August. Whew. I'm gonna go ahead and spray the deck area too around here because it don't get much loving. So. But I'm wearing clothes that I don't care anything about. But I'm gonna give the whole thing a good spraying. You mix this stuff up to the manufacturer's directions. I think I did 2 to 1 on this. So once this thing gets dry, after I scrub it and clean it, I may have to sand it a little bit. I'll come back over with ton oil. You can use mineral oil, olive oil, whatever oil that don't turn rancid. Just to give it some protection. I don't guess you would use motor oil. That don't sound right. But. All right, so I'm gonna scrub it here a little bit. I need my other brush. Alright, I know it's a weird kind of video cleaning a grill, but I went through and inspected everything on the inside. I am going to take a little skewer or something and clean the little holes out here in a second. But I've inspected everything and I don't see any cracks and I don't see any breaks in the gasket. Those are easy enough to replace. I went ahead and hit this with some 150 grit paper. The bottom's good, but I'm gonna go over it with a coat of oil. And let me tell you, it dries in a hurry out here, so I'm gonna set you up right over here And I'm just hoping this video will help somebody, you know, if they've got one of these cedar tables and they want to clean it and protect it. So what I got some Watco tung oil. This is our local Home Depot. Gives it good waterproof, because when you splash it tomorrow, it's going to beat up real good, and it's going to beat up for quite a while. So all I do, I just got a shop towel. Everything I do is simple. Ain't no rocket science going on here. I need to wear gloves, but it'll be alright. So I'm just going to pour some out on the wood. Get it with the towel. And one coat's all you need generally. It soaks into the wood. It makes it look good too. You could use a brush, I guess. This cloth works just fine. And it only takes a few minutes, and you can, if you got it good and clean, you can reapply as the year goes. That's generally what I'll do. I'll come back over it, you know, 4 or 5 months. Now I use this grill. I hate to use this term religiously. And I mean, I use it all the time. I cook on it 3 or 4 days a week, probably. Now this back part back here behind the grill, or the egg, when you get it good, it gets a lot of heat, a lot of smoke. You want to get the edges real good. And that took me all of, what, a minute and a half. See how much better that looks? That really looks good. So let me do the rest of it. Probably take me another 5 minutes and I'll come right back. All right, took me about 5 minutes. The air conditioner just kicked on. As you can see, it's got a little shine to it. I did the whole thing. It took me all of 5 minutes. And I do this twice a year. You know, it gets a lot of sunshine. I do have a cover that goes on it, but it gets a lot of heat, a lot of sun, a lot of moisture. It's humid out here. But that's how I clean it and protect it every while. But I hope y'all enjoy this video. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell to be notified. Can't thank you enough for doing that. If you got any questions, leave me a question or a comment. I answer all of them. And I think that's about it. So until the next video, thanks for watching. We'll get in out of this heat. It's hot out here.